Dad, what's going on?
Just be calm. Let me handle this.
Yeah, this doesn't feel so good, does it?
Jennifer?
Step out of the car.
Officer, my name is Jefferson Pierce.
Get out, please.
Okay, look, this is getting out of hand. Now, this is the third time this month.
Hey! What are you doing? Get your hands off my dad! Hey! Leave him alone!
Let me see your hands.
Stop!
Now!
Don't shoot! All right, everybody just calm down!
Okay!
Man, put him up on the dashboard.
Anissa! Put your hands on the dashboard!
I have the right to videotape if I want to!
Damn it, Anissa, just do it now!
Is this the guy?
You're not gonna tell me what this is all about?
You have a good night, sir.
I asked you a question.
The liquor store just got robbed.
And I'm sure the description is what? A black man dressed in a suit and tie, getaway car, a mid-size Volvo wagon.
You have a good night, sir.